it's around 30 minutes until US session starts, and so far inventory got a little bit long in Asian session, then flushed it in European session, and now seem to be correcting a bit in the pre-market. So I will be considering it as mixed and not putting much value to overnight inventory correction. We are opening within yesterday's range and within this high volume node from the last week, so we could expect more chop and more rotation, but that doesn't mean the ranges will be small. I think ranges can be quite wide because overnight is over 50 points. Yesterday was like 70 or so. So today we can expect more rotation within yesterday's range, and until we get clear direction, I don't think we can extend any extreme. So if we get well, first speed bump could be this overnight point of control, because here is where early change took place. If we can get above this area, then we will test yesterday's high and monthly low, and then there is this last set of single prints, which is like the line in the sand for bears, I think, or maybe this entire area to be exact. So there is still a lot of places to be engaged with the markets. Below we have this buying tail from yesterday, and if we test it, we can get to around 3190 or 80. I don't think we can extend much lower. Regarding yesterday, it's important to notice that well, first of all, L and M periods were poor low, and C period low couldn't get below the open. This, if you, I would pay more attention, this could be a nice long opportunity once we get back above this previous day low. As far as trading in yesterday, it was very emotional, and I did underestimate a little bit what was happening through the entire week and earlier, because once we, from the FOMC announcement and balance highs, we dropped lower. So here inventory got really short, and this short covering made inventory too long, and now it became too short, got really emotional again, and I'm not sure if there is any serious money. Well, probably there isn't, because there is no direction. So now we are forming a temporary balance within this week. So until we can get out of those ranges, I think we will have more of the same. Here is this area around 30 to 60 is dividing the upper distribution and the lower distribution from this trading zone. And looking at this, if we can get above and find acceptance, I think that we will rotate to test those highs, and if we remain below, then we will test 30 to 20. I hope I can find some time and insight during the session, because I'd like to record my thoughts and my emotions during trading. Last few days I couldn't find myself recording because I didn't know how to approach this market. It's been really weird, to say at least. Maybe it was good trading, but I'm I have to say that I was caught off guard a little bit, because I wasn't expecting such big ranges. This is really something to think about. So we are within yesterday's range, so opportunities should be limited, and I should trade more rotational until proven otherwise.